Many Samsung Smart TV users report that their screen keeps flickering, freezes, turns off suddenly, or keeps getting dark and bright on its own. So if you are one of them, then let's try some troubleshoots that will help you fix these issues. Before doing anything advanced, we will start by cold booting or soft resetting our TV, which can fix software glitches that may be causing this issue. With your TV turned on, plug out the power cable, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Now check if your screen is working properly. If your problem persists, then we will check our energy saving options. Go to the menu and then Settings, All Settings. From there go to General and Privacy. Here you'll find the power and energy saving option. We will open that. And the first thing you want to turn off is the brightness optimization, because if it's turned off, it will adjust your screen's brightness according to the ambience. Then we will also turn off brightness reduction. If it's turned on, it will save power by lowering your TV's brightness. So we don't want that, because we can always customize the brightness manually. Then there's also this settings called motion lighting. We also need to keep it turned off. Then we have the auto power saving option, which we also need to turn off because it determines if you're nearby and turns off your device automatically. And sometimes it can be hit or miss. So we will turn it off and we're done here. So we will go back to the home and then picture. From here, go to expert settings. And from here, try adjusting the brightness, contrast, sharpness, and all the settings to your liking. Now, if this didn't help, you can reset picture settings afterwards to fix any wrongly adjusted settings. Now, if you're still having the same problem, check if you have connected any devices through the HDMI port. And if you have any devices connected, try disconnecting them and see if that resolves it. If the device was causing the issue, you can plug the HDMI cable to a different port or change the cable and see if that fixes it. Then you can try the HDMI troubleshoot from the device care. To go to device care, we will go to settings, then all settings. From there, go down to support, then device care. After it's loaded, we will select self-diagnosis and then HDMI troubleshooting. The troubleshooting may detect incompatibilities such as mismatched resolution and fix it for you. You also need to keep in mind that weak antenna or digital TV signal may also induce screen flickering issues. After you've followed all these troubleshoots, the problems you were having should be fixed by now. But unfortunately, if this didn't solve it for you, then it may be a hardware issue and you should contact Samsung support for further assistance. If you found this helpful, do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.